head is on my pillow. I'm thinking of where this could go. I'm slowing down the tempo. Your eyes so black, they're like the universe in me. I think that what I'm trying to see is if you have enough to be every part of everything. My fingertips are burning, scratching and they're yearning. They wanna be at your place, chalk outlining your face. Do you know how stars taste? Well, you'll find out one day. Maybe me, maybe not. Stick around, you'll learn a lot. Let's go over under. Let's go where I wonder if we'll ever come back. And if your mind can trace that, you'll find that I'm in you and you're inside me too. Sending busy signals, interstellar rituals. You know the stars, they don't just shine for you. They don't just shine for me. They are celestial beings. We are the stars. I don't just shine for you. You don't just shine for me. But still, magnetically, we are. Star Trek effects, dynamite reflex. I respect your intense, introspective defects. Let's play a new game. Give me a Martian name. You don't have to explain. No, it's better this way. Galaxy Crusader, you'll be my dictator. The Mercurian flavor of my now and later. Starlight, star bright, take me on an endless flight. Make me shine like disco lights. Red and blue, green and white. Arctic sky, fluorescent night. Oxygen intensifies the solar system and beyond. The planet in between our palms. In deep space, I erase all the memories of her face. Our travels will replace everything you once chased. The stars, they don't just shine for you. They don't just shine for me. They are celestial beings. We are the stars. I don't just shine for you. You don't just shine for me. But still, magnetically, we are. Yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to say about that.